Good morning, y'all. August 4th, 7 a.m. here in the South. So we've been noticing over the last few days that we have footprints in the garden. So I whipped out the flashlight last night and found exactly what I expected. In addition to a cat, we have a large possum. They're back here kicking it, setting up shop, anticipating the harvest. So now I got to figure out a way to keep them out of the backyard. And I just may have a few tricks up my sleeve. So anyway, this is what I've already started with. To keep these pests down, moths and everything else that we don't need back here. We got mothballs. We got over there in that small little stainless steel shot glass, whatever you want to call it. That's apple cider vinegar. And we have over here more mothballs. We got right there and another little stainless steel container, a shot glass, what do you want to call it? That is peppermint oil. More mothballs. We got here peppermint oil and apple cider vinegar. And this white stuff y'all see on the ground here is baking soda. And I've been kind of spraying all the foliage down with 3% hydrogen peroxide mixed with water. I hope this works. But I think what I'm going to also do is probably hang Irish Spring soap across the yard on the fences. Okay. I don't know, I may even put maybe containers of ammonia in each corner. And we'll figure out something else, do whatever we can to keep these pests, these rodents out of this yard. Let's take a look here. Let's go do an update. So we lost our watermelon that was sitting in here. Somehow, I don't know what happened. I guess it got too hot out here. I don't know. It came out one day and this whole side of the garden here looked terrible. Let me say it like that. It looked terrible. But it's cool. It's cool. Things happen. So anyway, we have here a new friend. Y'all see that one? I think that's the yellow watermelon right there. And I want to say this here is also that little guy there. Okay. Now we have a few. We got a few of them, y'all. We got one back here. Y'all see that? Right there. That's another one. That's three, right? We have here another one, which is 4. And I cannot go around this direction because that stuff is just growing everywhere. I don't want to step on the vines. Now I see the bucket here. You see my shears over there. I've already started kind of cut down the dead foliage, pruning. Okay, so I got 4 whatever, right? So anyway, we have one here. That's 5. Let's see, we have one there that looks like it's gonna die, so I don't think that's gonna make it. It got black spots on it. That's 5. 6, including that one, 6. This here is a pretty decent size one here. 7. Is it gonna make it or not? I don't know. I hope so, but that's 7. We have 8. We had one over there anyway. Where did you go? Let's see. Oh, okay, here it is. That's 8 right there. I'm pretty sure we have a few more in there somewhere. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish pruning this garden, get these yellow leaves out of here. Look at those flowers. I love the way the squash flowers look. Very deep yellow. You know, this squash looks terrible, you know, but I think some of them trying to bounce back. I think the hydrogen peroxide is going to really work as far as keeping the bugs, the pest control. I mean, let me call it pest control. It's a type of pest control that help keep insects down. So anyway, what they've been doing here, right? And I kind of researched this to try to figure out what's going on. You see here, right? It's like a hole inside the stem, okay, or the vine, right? So what my research found is that you have squash vine borers, okay, that lay eggs on the actual vine itself, or stem, if you want to call it that. And they when the eggs hatch, they work their way inside of the vine and eat the flesh out of it. That's why it looked like this. That's why it's been dying off, and I've been trying to figure it out. But I think we may have finally got it figured out. And I hope this hydrogen peroxide and keeping the baking soda around it helps out. And I'll be spraying this stuff down with hydrogen peroxide and water probably every 4 or 5 days or so. Okay, and let me see. I looked on one video. The guy said start up with what does it start up with? Let me see. For the 6 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide for every 1 gallon of water. So that's what I've been doing here lately. I may record a video showing me do it as well. So anyway, so that's a little garden update, and show y'all what we're doing. Show you what we're working with today. This corn, it actually looked pretty bad the other day, and like it's starting to come back. Yeah, I think after I finish pruning the whole entire garden, I will probably go ahead and water her down real good. But this is just an update of the, I forget about this side sometimes. I focus so much on that side over there. This side is pretty easy. This side of the garden right here is very easy to keep up. As of now, anyway, this is probably going to be the most complicated out of all 5 different crops on this side. You know what I'm saying? This is the bell peppers. Yeah, bell pepper plant. So as they start to mature, may have to trellis them up. I don't know. Even the cucumbers over there, I've been trying to avoid trellising them up, but I may have to. We'll see what happens. We'll see what's gonna happen. Cause like a lot of those things trying to die out on me. Y'all seen it? Look at that. So this is the rainbow chart, and the rainbow chart is looking very healthy. The bush beans are also looking very healthy. We got something happening there, right? You see that? We're starting to grow some actual beans. So they're doing their thing. You know. This, yeah, we've been anticipating this for a while, right? This is the white potatoes. Yep, on this side here. Remember we did red skin potatoes. I don't see anything happening with the russet potatoes in the middle, but over there, that is a Yukon Gold potato. And of course, this is the sweet potato slips that I transplanted from inside the house out of glass jars. And look at this baby here. They're looking very nice, very nice. That is the orange sweet potatoes. Orange jewel sweet potatoes. Those slips are getting pretty tall, so it's about time for me to transplant those. So I think I'm gonna probably do that sometime between probably later this week. If not later this week, then early next week. Just to take a glance over here, look at that bee. It's working, right? Yeah. They've been getting up in here, helping the brother out. Yeah, we need those bees doing what they do. Come on, I need plenty of y'all. Go ahead and track that pollen. Go and track that pollen. Cross-pollinate these plants or these flowers. Anyway, y'all, so that's it with that. Let y'all get a little shot of me pruning this garden, and we'll be hollering back at y'all later on. Y'all have yourself a good day.